Hi people, welcome to my little world. Today, we're stepping into a space of confidence, self-love, and pure energy. So I want you to sit back, relax, and let's get onto this journey together. I'm JY, here to bring you amazing experiences that will inspire you and help you with your journey. I love filming, writing, food, music, sketching, painting, dancing, and whatnot. With the main goal of enjoying life and having a purpose, I decided to establish YouTube. I want to inspire people with the same goal and build a strong community where we can inspire each other with no judgments. Because we don't judge, we focus on our goals. Now let's look at what I will be providing you guys here. It's going to be everything that we love, from fashion, self-development, mini-vlogs to deep talks and even tips. It's going to be so much fun. I have divided my experiences into 5 different categories and subcategories. Let's look at each of them deeply. Category 1, episodes. Episodes have been divided into 2 subcategories, EPS and EPY. EPS stands for episode style and EPY stands for episode U. Episode style covers fashion, style, and aesthetic. On the other hand, episode U covers self-care, skincare, inner work, positivity, and related topics. Category 2, Chronicles. Chronicles will cover mini-vlogs, vlogs, and hauls. Category 3, Archives. Archives will contain special lookbooks, style books, and styling tips. Category 4, Sub-Rosa. Sub-Rosa will contain all of the deep talks, tips, or other general stuff that you guys may suggest. Category 5, Excerpts. Little excerpts of my life will be posted on shorts that do not require the long-form format. And we are done. If any of the mentioned topics piques your interest, make sure to join me on the journey. And that's a wrap on the first experience. This was an introduction video, and I hope it inspired you to step into your best self. Till then, stay iconic and connected with this energy. Bye. The JY Experience.